This is 60 business ideas in 60 days. Today, we're talking about starting an entertainment business in the UAE. Entertainment is a big part of life here. Tourism, events, and a strong leisure culture. Demand keeps growing across concerts, festivals, media, and live experiences. Under this license, you can organize and manage concerts, festivals, exhibitions, and private parties, produce live performances, music shows, theater, dance, and cultural programs, operate amusement, gaming, or recreational facilities, handle film, video, and media production projects, provide DJ, music, and entertainment services for corporate or private clients, run virtual events, esports or online entertainment platforms, manage talent bookings and artist representation. Now, let's talk about where you should set up. If your focus is media production, creative services, or online entertainment, free zones are a strong option. Free zones work well for film, video, music production, and digital platforms. They offer lower setup costs, full ownership, and creative-friendly environments. Popular options include Dubai Studio City, Dubai Media City, Dubai Design District, Rakez, and Shams. To run public events on the mainland, you'll need additional approvals or a local arrangement. If you plan to organize public events, concerts, shows, or large gatherings, a mainland setup is the right choice. Mainland licensing allows you to work directly with venues, government bodies, and large audiences. It is also required for amusement facilities, festivals, and ticketed public events. Because entertainment involves public spaces and audiences, approvals are a key part of the setup. Depending on your activity, you may need approval from Dubai Tourism or the Department of Economy and Tourism for public events, Dubai Municipality and Civil Defense clearance for venue safety and crowd control, film permits for shoots, commercials, or media production, media licensing for music, broadcasting, or recorded content, venue management approvals for private or public location. Running events comes with a few ground rules. Your venue needs to be safe and properly set up. You need clear crowd control, emergency exits, and basic first aid in place. What you show or play in public also needs approval. And for events, insurance is not optional. It protects you, the performance, and the venue. If you handle ticket sales or cash, banks take a closer look before opening your account. Banks usually ask for your trade license, office, studio, or venue lease, shareholder passport, and Emirates ID copy, a business plan explaining your events or productions, supplier, venue, or artist contracts. Here's your game plan. Choose where you want to set up. Select your activity. Apply for your trade license. Secure a workspace. Get approvals. Draft and sign your MOA if required. Receive your license. Apply for your establishment card. Hire staff. Open your bank account and complete VAT registration. And that's it. You're ready to run your entertainment business. If this sounds like the right move for you, we can help. We've helped more than 25,000 entrepreneurs start businesses in the UAE over the past 10 years. Fill out the form in the description and let's get started.